Yo, hello everyone. Are you a potential Temu affiliate and you're excited to promote sustainable products and earn while making a positive impact? In this video, we are going to share with you the steps on how to become a Temu affiliate partner in 2023. So get ready to make a difference and earn simultaneously. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first thing guys, I will need you to go ahead and open the temu.com official website. This is it, and this is the URL in case you were wondering. Now, the next thing is to start our affiliate software or program. How to do so? Simply, if you want all the way down, you might find it in the bottom. So as you can see here, the company info, you find here the affiliate and influencer. Click on it and here you will be able to start your affiliate program or influencer program depending on what kind of program you are into. So here I'm going, for example, to choose the affiliate program. I'm going to click on this link and to sign up and then click on to sign up to earn. Here we have different kind of ways to start your account, either using your email or just using Gmail, Twitter, Apple, or Facebook accounts. So I'm going with my Gmail account real quick because it is the fastest way to sign in any kind of platform. Now, as you saw, this event is not available in your region at this time. So what you have to do is search where Temu is actually accepted. So Temu available countries, and here they will show you like all the countries that it accepted. So they accept the US. I'm going to click here into my extensions and use my VPN to actually connect to the US. So now it is, I have to wait a little bit. So I can choose, for example, United Kingdom or something like that. And eventually they will get me to connect to this website. Now, how does it work specifically? Well, Temu, if you check that out, this is like a website that sells products like Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, and all the others kind of shop that are online. And most of these products are located in China and anywhere on the world. So, how are you going to make money without having a product? Simply, this is what helps you with the affiliate program. The affiliate program is going to only give you the like a link that you are going to share with people. As simple as that. So here for an example, as you can see, there is so many products. Each of these products has its own link. So once you register into your account and you get your link on these products, you can simply just click, for example, get your link. And from this link, once you share it with people and people start clicking on it and getting into this page and doing something. So there is like this is where affiliate program is actually different on any other program. So you might think that only by people buying this you are going to get paid. No, this is not really the general idea. Well, it is somehow because it is true. Once they actually buy it, you will get paid. But this is not the only case. Once the people actually click on this link that you gave, you will get paid a minimum amount of money. It can be 0.5, 0.4. Now, once they buy the product, of course, you are getting more than that. You are getting like $7 depending on the commission on each product that will be shown for you once you get the link. Also, once someone adds it to its cart, you will get some extra money. So the affiliate commissions are not only up to either person buys it or not, it can be really different. And for example, here there is some products that are going to get paid once there is subscription that you can get affiliate program on. So for example, let's say that you have made an affiliate program on Temu using like for example Netflix. So here Netflix doesn't have really a product that you are going to buy once. No, there is like a subscription which lasts until you stop it. So for example, if you did this kind of affiliate program type, you will get a cumulation like cumulation commission which will keep stacking for you each time that person buys or keeps subscribing on the platform that you have chosen to make the affiliate program for. So the affiliate program is not as simple as you think, guys. It can be really variant depending on the product that you are selling, the commissions that you are getting, and of course, the type of commissions that you are doing. For example, subscription, one-time bot, or depending on what kind you are doing exactly. But to be more specific with this website, it only works with a single purchase. So there's only products here that are going to be sold for once. So each time the person clicks on your link and buys something, you will get paid for the commission that you are going to get on this single thing once. So let's say, for example, I have given you guys my link and you went to this products, for example, product number, I don't know, like for example, this one, this thermometer, and you bought 10 from these thermometer. Am I going to get commission from each thermometer you are going to buy? Yes. The answer is yes. And also I'm going to get paid for the you when you click on add card and when you firstly clicked on the link that I have given you. So there is three payments that I'm going to get for each action that you guys might do or may not do. So it depends from person to another. You might just ignore the link, you may click on it, you may click and buy, you may click and add to cart and then say I'm not interested really in it. You may just scroll, you might do a lot of things. So each thing you do, there is a consequence of minimum amount of money that I'm going to get, depending on what you are going to do, of course. And guys, for the commissions and the balance that you are going to get is gonna be sent directly to your account, and it's gonna be over here. So credit balance, it can be here, and the minimum amount of money that you can get out of your account. So here we go. Your payments. You have here firstly you have to add your payments method. So the accept payments as PayPal, Visa, Mastercard, American Express. So all these cards, Cash App, Google Play, Afterpay, Apple Pay, Klarna, Affirm, security certification like Mastercard ID check, SafeKey, etc., etc. And they don't really accept cryptocurrencies, unfortunately. And yeah, in general, these are the things that they accept the most. So in case you were interested in one of these, you or you have one of these, this is you have to actually use them in here. And for the minimum that you can get out is around $10. So once you get your $10, you can get it out after it has passed around 75 days of the person who bought the thing. So after I bought something, for example, from this platform, I can do a refund, and this refund will cause them losing money since they paid you. Well, that's why they wait 75 days until my refund option will get rejected, and then they will give you the money. So yeah, guys, that was completely it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.